Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up MySound on Jabra Elite 7 Active. And to do this we'll need to click on the gear icon inside Sound Plus app. I've shown you how to pair your device with it previously. Now move to Personalize your headset and enter MySound. Now get started, and here we need to pick our gender. So I'm gonna go for male, year of birth, and let's go with this one. Now find a quiet place, ensure that your earbuds have a good fit, and prepare to tap the screen when you hear a tone. And that way you will need to wear your earbuds. Click on the start test and you'll be able to set up MySound settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.